What's up? What's up? Pulling up stream. Go turn on my headphones. All right. Gonna be at all-time highs again. Dude, we're just sitting at all-time highs, bro. There's nothing for us to even draw out here, guys. This sucks. But yeah, I don't even really know what to do here for. We're all-time highs on both, right? Yeah, we're at all-time highs on both. Bro, I don't even know what to look for then at this point. Any hourly gaps? We have this really tiny one. 15-minute gap. Maybe we could look for a sweep of these lows. Have an hourly gap down here. All right. That's pretty much it for right now. Okay. We're literally just sitting at all-time highs, so there's not really much of a bias for us to even do.
Right now I have like.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone in the other room. The Villagers Market open. Bro, my stomach hurts, bro. I'm just. What's up? Sorry. What's up? What's up? Diego, what's up? Bullish, we up London highs already. Yeah, but we're at all-time highs, so pretty much can only be bullish at all-time highs. We're literally all the way at all-time highs. Look at this. So really can't be bearish. We have a 15-minute gap. We have an hourly gap. I mean, maybe a good idea could be like, I really doubt we're gonna come all the way down here, but yeah, that's what it feels like, dude. Realistically, bro, I feel like we might end up like, where's London low? It might end up looking like this. 10 a.m. reversal off London low, Asia low. Maybe something like that. What's up, Snoop? Snoop, this is gonna be a horrible day, bro. Look at this. How are you even supposed to get a bias out of this, dude? It's just bullish. You changed my trading so much I passed my first chance because you and got my first payout because you. Thank you, bro. Let's go. What do you guys think? Bruh. Can we not come down from all-time highs, please? Can we please? Just something, bro. Not sitting at all-time highs all day. I was really hoping we had strawberries today. My stomach is hurting. I don't want to eat anything like bad. Bro, this just sucks, dude. You gotta sit here waiting all day. I'm gonna put my phone in the other room at Market Open. We still got 8 minutes. You should do some game streams too. Maybe. I was thinking about Marvel Rivals. That's the only game I play right now. But that would probably be just like in the Discord or on Kick or something.
Trader funding.
Bro.
Apex Trader funding. Fire your marketing team. What on earth, bro? Are y'all seeing the TikTok ads that they have on here? When I'm swiping, like I know every single person in the day trading community is seeing these. That one blonde bitch, and she's just like, and it's like 80% off all accounts. I mean, shit, bro. I guess they're getting the point across. But a blonde bitch, bruh, and the face that she's making, it looks like a stock image. They gotta put like more trades, cracking Powell, or like that little dude Cole, like that, and it says like 80% off. That would get people to buy. Nobody knows that girl.
No way we have Trump speaking at 11, bro. Is he gonna mess up the market again today? Okay, that's a. I mean, 11. That's fine, dude. 11:15. We'll be fine. Trump don't want to see us win, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. But yeah, it's at 11:15, so we should be fine.
All these people to go. Can you prove God exists?
And really, I'm kind of new, so I don't really know what to look for out in terms of news. Yeah, well, normally I only trade from like 9:30 to 11. From 9:30 to 11. So I'll be done before he starts speaking, so I'm fine.
Let's go. I just found out. Let's go. Trying to see what. I just found out my baby mama been spending all her child support checks on her new boyfriend. She even called me one day and asked me to send her extra money so she could buy my son new shoes. I'm like, yeah, I got you. I sent her money. He come over. I'm like, hey, son, what kind of shoes you get? He said, Mom haven't bought me any new shoes in a while. I'm like, huh? He said, yeah, her new boyfriend Jarvis been needing a lot of money. So I called her. I'm like, why my son telling me that you haven't bought him anything new and you just asked me to send you money so you could buy him something new? She like, it's not like that. He's just kind of going through a lot right now. His mom just died, and we trying to get her cremated, so her remains is just sitting at the funeral home, and nobody help us out. I'm like, man, that don't got nothing to do with me. She like, don't be selfish. Say less. So I went down to the funeral home and I bought his mama's remains. And if he want to see his mama again, they gonna have to buy my son shoes, or else I'm gonna start getting freaky with
Bro,
her.
what? I haven't gotten it since I don't use TikTok. All right, what time is it? All right. I'm gonna go put my phone in the other room. Good luck, you guys. Bruh. All right. We've been on here for 20 minutes. So we have a 15-minute gap. Okay, so hopefully market open can give us a pullback here. Hopefully this volume can bring us down, at least to this 15-minute. There's a 1 hour. Do equal low and equal highs matter if they're next to each other? A little bit. Depends on how good they look. Like, it just don't matter as much. Like if it's like this, then price goes away from it. I guess is not really the best, but if we have like this, price goes away, comes back like like a couple candles. Let's say there's a couple candles in here, then that would be like a little bit better. The more spaced out, the better, basically. Bro, honestly, I'm not expecting really to see anything. What I want would be like coming down. Where's the lows I was talking about earlier? Like London low, Asia low, that we could get something. There's also the 4 hour gap down here. I want something, but I'm not really expecting much right now. You're looking to take shorts to London lows? No. We're all time highs. You don't really want to short all time highs. We don't really have anything to look for, to be honest, for the most part. I'm at 23 viewers right now, and I didn't even post it on my Instagram. Let's go, guys. We got 5 likes. Can we run it up to 10, bro? Let's run it up to 10 likes. We got 20 people in here. Let's run it up to 10 likes. We just need 5 more. Come on, dump, 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 dump. We can't look for setups until price goes down. I'm gonna get you. I've streamed liked by the whole call. There's nothing. We need, what are we at right now? What are we at? We're at 8, guys. We need 2 more likes. 2 more likes. We at 10. Bruh. Damn, bro, the views have been going up a lot on the videos. I don't really have much else to talk about right now. Unless price comes down. Right? Unless price comes down. We don't really have any trading to talk about, so what do you guys like? What type of like videos do you guys want? If we get a trade today, I'll post a trade recap, but I haven't really had a trade recap to post the last couple of days. Also, we're at 9 likes, guys. We're 1 away from the 10. We need one more person to like the stream and we'll hit the 10 likes. Anybody I'm gonna do a boot camp going over like everything, but I don't really know what else to do until then. But yeah, the trade recap type of thing is more of going to be like a live execution type of video. Because we're still 1 like away from 10. Can we get one more person to like the stream? Let's go. Let's see. There's 1 minute equal lows. Yeah. I still don't really want them. I'm not gonna lie. I would rather price come down and take them so I can take a long. You said, yo, I have a genuine question. Like, I have 200K apexes. Should I go for 100Ks or 50Ks? People say go for 50Ks, but I can only have 20 I would not say it's only 20 PAs. Most prop firms only allow you to have 5. That means I'll have only 1 million in allocation if I use 100 Ks. If I used 100 Ks, I'll go for. That means I'll only have 1 million in allocation, and if I use 100 Ks, I'll have 2 million in allocation. Bro, you don't need to do 100 Ks at first, bro. A lot of people start with their 50 Ks, and then once they max out the 50 Ks, they'll start and do like 200 Ks, because they already have 1 mil in funding, and then they'll start and scale it up. But it's honestly up to you, bro. Come on, bro. Price needs to keep coming down. Price needs to keep coming down. Uh, that's what I want. That's the only thing I'll take. If we come down, bro, we need to come down to something. Small SMT gonna form on NQ and ES. Yeah, we just formed it. Bro, I wish we would have tapped into the 15-minute here. Oh, let's go. We just hit 10 likes, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Or we're just gonna be sitting here with nothing. We still, I mean, bro, this is our macro right now. Like, for real. All right, nice. We're gonna move down. Let's see if this will continue down. We need price to go down, bro. Or else we can't get any setups today. Right, nice. We typed into the 15-minute. I wonder what this candle came from, to be honest. It didn't come out like news, but it was a big move. It just continued down. Check financial juice. Hmm. I would honestly want us to come a little bit lower. Or we have a big SMT at these lows. But this is still too far in premium to even enter, dude. Like, what is this? Like, bruh, that's all time highs. Then you just using hopes and dreams to get a one risk to reward. Like, bruh. But yeah, Snoop is looking better. I just want price to continue down here. What I'm thinking is 10 a.m. candle. This would be best case scenario. 10 a.m. candle opens here, right? Or 10 a.m. candle opens somewhere around here, right? Let's say like 10 a.m. opens like here, whatever. And what I'm hoping would be open, low, high, close. Something like that. Open, low, high, close. $15-minute gap seems to be holding, but we'll see. I want to say this 10 a.m. candle opens. We still have like 30 seconds until 10 a.m. candle opens. Gotta change my headphones. My headphones like beep when they die, bro. It was loud. Okay, 10 a.m. candle opened here, right? We're seeing that low. Come on. Want a good open low at close. 7 hourly gap. So this is definitely looking better. This 1 hour gap might be the move here. So we got this open, low. Come on, bro. Run all this. Give us a long. Okay, this is nice. So now that we have this 4 hour gap, this will probably be the best place to look for a long. We're gonna leave this unfilled 5-minute here. So I definitely think we got the pullback here. I want us to hit this 4-hour gap though. We left an unfilled 5-minute. But yeah, guys, so dude, we have a good 2-minute here, but I want us to come down. Hopefully we get a manipulation leg. Two-minute? No. We haven't hit the 4-hour gap yet. So this one I would want, like we could get, but I'm not gonna take it. I want us to tap into this 4-hour. Then unfilled 4-hour, so. Potential 2-minute? Yeah, I'm not entering the 2-minute though. Yeah, no, we have the potential 2-minute. I want us to tap the 4-hour first. The price needs to rebalance gaps, and we have an unfilled 4-hour here, so it makes sense to tap into the 4-hour first. ES has not even come close to touching its 4-hour. Yeah, kind of waiting for this 4 hour to hit. Price wants to rebalance inefficiencies. We have a 4 hour gap here. I don't know what made that big candle. Apparently it was just price. I don't see anything here on financial juice. So makes sense. It didn't look like news. It looked like it was just a very, very down candle. My Gimmer's better than. I'm not interested in anything until we hit the 4 hour, by the way, guys. Let's watch the video because we hadn't hit this 4 hour yet, but we just hit it, so I gotta log in. All right, 2 minutes just below 5. Yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minute would be the target for at least for break even. It's an unfilled 5 minutes, so 33, bro. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, we just left a 1 minute gap. What happened to my bro? I'm missing a candle here. Bro, I'm just completely missing a candle. There we go. Made equal lows. Doesn't say we did, bro. Why is it not registering the equal lows? I don't know why it's not registering those. Oh, well, but yeah, we do have equal lows here. Where's the equal low thing? Equal. Oh, there we go. Now it's showing, yeah. Yeah, so this one's against my rules. 2 minute gap. Damn, bro. This one looks actually so good, bro. It would just be like a 1R. This looks so good, but equal lows, bro. It'd be so good if there wasn't equal lows though, dude. Yeah, no close. Let's go. I was gonna have to watch the setup, bro. I was gonna have to watch the setup. And I knew if we made those equal lows, and I said I'm not taking this because of equal lows, it was gonna hit TP, bro. And I knew if I said I don't care about equal lows, I'm gonna take it. It'll fail and make an example out of me. So either way, either way, I'm taking it out with these equal lows here. So I'm just not gonna take it. But yeah. This now manipulation leg would probably be goaded. I want us to leave that 5 minute unfilled. Come on, no inverse, bro. Just don't. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't want the 2 minute inverse, bro. Dude, it was looking like we were gonna come down, bro. Come on. Damn. All right. I'm not taking this though. $15. Come on, guys. Guys, is anybody in this? Please tell me nobody took this. Please tell me nobody FOMO'd this. Did anybody in my chat FOMO this? Did anybody FOMO this? Okay, good, nice. Anybody FOMO this? Snoop, Thomas, JDD. Anybody FOMO this? Okay, good. I just know if I take this, I'm gonna be so mad at myself. So if I like take this and it loses, I'm gonna be mad at myself. I did, but it got out up $5 low. All right, bro. At least you got out. Yeah, but this trade's completely against my rules, so I want this, bro. I have a 15-minute gap inside of this. Yeah, dude, a resweep of these equal lows, tap into this 15-minute gap would actually be like A++. Nice, bro. Come on. Make everybody who took this like make an example out of them, bro. Because I know if I took this, they would have made an example out of me, bro. The market makers would have came after me. Come on, make it fail. Uh, now I'm just sitting and waiting because we have these equal lows. We can't long with the equal lows. So everybody in here, just be patient, all right? Just be patient. Equal lows below. Do not take the long, please. All right. Exactly what I said. What happened? We took out the equal lows, tapped into that 15-minute. Do we sweep this last sell side inside the 15-minute? Okay, we did. Nice. Now let's see if we get a reaction here. Let's see if we get a reaction here. Still unfilled 15-minute above. I want to see the reaction to these equal lows here in this 15-minute gap and the hourly gap. Everything overlapping here. I look at my Tradeovate to trading view. Click the trade button in the bottom left, and then or click this versus my Tradeovate is. Open the trading panel, and put in your just log in to trading view. Select Tradeovate, and then just log in through there. So we have a 1 minute. Cute. I hope this holds. I mean, we have an order block here as well. Yeah, we're kind of just dumping through this. So next 15 minute, we could look for delivery alpha would be here. We have a 15-minute, the 4-hour, and a 15-minute OB here. So I feel like if it was gonna hold, it would have held, bro. So 3 minute. Yeah. Someone sent something to the Discord. Yo, guys, check the Discord. Yo, what? Bro. Right. All right, we tapped into this next 15-minute that I had marked out here. Let me go ahead and get rid of all this because obviously we did not deliver off of those. See if we have a reaction to this. Low net low. Like I said earlier, we could get London low, delivery off the 15-minute. We closed above on that 15-minute. Good, close on that 15-minute. Do we have an unfilled 5-minute? Nice, we leave an unfilled 5-minute here. 4-minute, 2-minute, 2-minute. We have a 30-second here. Breaking would have to be at the gap. Sorry. You know, you have this 30-second gap here, which I'm not going to take. I'm not going to take any of these 30 seconds here. Because we kind of just dumped through this 4-hour here. Hourly looks like it's about to close below. This 15-minute could hold, but like, let's see. Boom, stopped there. Now let's say you just stop at the low. TP here. Let's see if it gets stopped out. Let's see if it gets stopped out, guys. Let's see if this gets stopped out, guys. many people got in here? We got 16 right now. Let's go. So we would have gotten stopped out here. No matter what type of stop you use, if you put the stop at the OB, if you put the stop at the low, if you put a stop at close below, stop would have been right there. So either way, you would have been stopped out. Like, it just looks so bearish. Inversing. Hourly. We haven't inversed it yet, but inverse the 15-minute. First of all, we are at all-time highs. Well, we still are all-time highs, but we're only like not even 100. I mean, we are 100 points off, aren't we? Yeah, 100 points. Some speaks at 11:15. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be trading at 11:15. But we have like a bunch of lows here. We have London low below. There's a low below, and we're selling off. So I'd rather us get like a sweep of something. Some speaks the whole day, gets mad manipulative. Yeah. I haven't taken anything today. There's one 2-minute that failed. I didn't take it though. Read equal lows below. I said, chat, don't take this, and if you take this, I don't know. I just said don't take it. There's equal lows below on that one. I wouldn't really want to take a 30-second like this when like this one that inversed. I watched it, but I wouldn't really want to take a 30-second like this when, I mean, would have been a mech model to rebalance this 5-minute gap here. But I didn't take it because your discipline, I like your discipline. I have a question. Why don't you use unicorn model in iFVG? I don't know. I just stick to iFVG. I'm not really the best at finding breakers. I'm not gonna lie. I tried unicorn before, but I didn't like this one because he got stopped out. I didn't like this one because we haven't taken out the sell side yet. We're obviously bearish. We need to take out sell side. 15-minute close below. I know we're inside of a 15-minute, but we need to take out sell side, or else we wouldn't be coming down like this. If price was going to deliver it, it would have delivered where I wanted it to deliver from. It would have been inside this 4-hour gap right here. Would have been inside this 4-hour gap, right? And then obviously the 1-hour gap there. But what I looked for, I went to the 15-minute. I was like, all right, we have this 15-minute gap inside the 4-hour. I want us to deliver off of this, right? I wanted this. And then I'm pretty sure the hourly overlapped with it as well. My headphones just turned off. But why is NQ 10 minutes behind? Oh, you have to pay for live data. But we had the I wanted price to deliver off of here. If price was really gonna be bullish, we would have tapped into this 4-hour and the 15-minute. And the hourly was all overlapped. So we would have seen something. We would have seen an immediate reaction, inversing these, giving us a setup. But we didn't, right? We swept this. This is a lower time frame low, but it's a low inside of the gap, inside of all the gaps, right? If I draw out the hourly, you'll see it's even overlapped with the hourly. So this is like the perfect spot for reversal. We zoom in on the lower time frames. We're delivering out of lower time frames and higher time frame, or multiple higher time frames actually. 1 hour, 15-minute, swept the low, and we didn't deliver. So price continued down. So you only traded 2 p.m. Oh, damn, bro. Right, maybe this could hold, but like realistically, like I don't know if you've seen like multiple setups fail already, so. And I haven't taken a single one. If we were dropping mad, yeah. And then the problem with this 5-minute is that looking for the 5-minute rebalance right here, we don't really need to rebalance the next 5-minute, and that's kind of negative R, so don't really care for that either. It's normal trading as 100, it's the same. I mean, you can, but it's not futures. Unfilled 15-minute. Trade data candles. I don't trade when they're coming out, but I will take a trade to them. So we just formed that 15-minute gap there. We rebalanced the 5-minute. This 5-minute will probably push us down. Do you like my funded futures? Kind of. They're not bad. But their 20% consistency rule is kind of crazy. Or 25%, I think it was. I have a core account. It said there's no consistency rule. Let me see. I'm talking about when you're actually funded. Perfect. Exactly where we wanted. Took out our London low. London lows, 15-minute gap possible here. Bro, what is that, bro? Let's see about this. We still have a 15-minute unfilled. $5 hour, my bad. 4 hour. Now we have these 4 hours down here. We have to sweep this. What is this? Asia low? Okay. Okay, we're kind of souping this low. This London low. Only problem is this R is horrible, dude. Breaky would have to be there. Damn. All right, we left equal lows there. What would the risk even be on this? 8. But like, kind of sucks. Equal lows below. If equal highs as well. Damn it. I get nothing today, to be honest. Bought a 50K pack. Sorry. What do you look for mostly for entry? High liquidity, WMF. What do you mean? Time frame. For my entry, 30-second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. Today the journey begins. You bought a 50K Apex. Let's go. You will buy the iFVGs. No, there's equal those below. It's definitely better than the setups before. It kind of looks like more like a soup. I'd put in an OB. Bro, yeah, especially if we're gonna take this, bro. Like, if I were to take this, bro, we're inside the macro, so price should not be slowing like this. Check all these time frames real quick. Okay, yeah, 1 minute is definitely the only one we have. Forming a 2 minute OB here as well. And we're just sitting here now. Dang. No close again. Someone entered on the Discord. What did he enter on? That was wait. Oh, that was a shitty close. Yeah. I was seeing if it closed or not. But this is so ass. Why is your stop loss so big? It's just at the low, dude. The only way that I would ever move myself would be is if we even put in the OB here, but we haven't put the OB in. But yeah, I'm not taking this. But now we have Trump speaking in like 15 minutes. But yeah, nothing really today, bro. How long have we been on today? Been on for an hour 50. I'll stay until 11:10. Just the end of the macro, but we're probably not gonna get anything. Maybe PM will be better, guys. Probably wouldn't do a PM stream though. Probably gonna post a daily oh my gosh, crazy voice crack. Probably gonna post a daily review. Or daily recap on YouTube. Okay. Alright. Alright, see bro, getting off. Alright, bro. I'm gonna be on here for 5 more minutes. Just messaging the guy in the Discord, said something. Just reswap this low. So Asia low we have here. Asia low would tap us into this next 4 hour here. We have the next 4 hour down here. So next realistic situation would probably be like this in PM. To be honest. All right, guys. We're gonna hit 2 hours here soon, and then 11:10. I'm gonna get off. I feel like I need to be on stream for at least 2 hours though, so. Oh, I've been live for 2 hours. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this couple minutes out here. Going down to those Asia lows. Ugh. Yeah, my camera just died. Alright, I'm gonna change the battery pack. trying to take this battery pack out. It's not letting me. Bro, all my battery packs are dead. I'm gonna have to wait to change it. We took out that age alone now. But yeah, we're at 11:10, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off here in 30 seconds. When we're at 11:10, I'm gonna go ahead and get off, guys. All right, it should be 11:10. All right, oh, it's 11:11. All right.